Orchids are renowned for their exotic beauty, captivating fragrances, and the delicate allure they bring to any space. Cultivating these exquisite flowers, however, requires a combination of art and science. We will delve into the secrets that will empower you to grow stunning orchids and maintain their beauty over time. Choosing the right orchid. Before diving into the secrets of successful orchid cultivation, it's essential to choose the right orchid for your environment. Different species have varying requirements, including light, temperature, and humidity. Phalaenopsis, Cattleya, and Dendrobium are popular choices for beginners due to their adaptability. Lighting requirements. Orchids thrive in bright, indirect light. Provide filtered sunlight or artificial light with a spectrum suitable for orchid growth. Avoid direct sunlight, as it can scorch the leaves. Experiment with the placement of your orchids to find the perfect balance of light. Temperature and humidity. Maintaining the right temperature and humidity levels is crucial for orchid success. Most orchids prefer daytime temperatures between 70-80 F, 21-27 C, and nighttime temperatures around 60-70 F. 15-21 C, humidity should be around 50-70%. Use a hygrometer to monitor these conditions and make adjustments as needed. Watering techniques. Overwatering is a common mistake in orchid care. Orchids prefer a slightly moist environment, not constantly soggy. Water the orchid when the top inch of the potting mix feels dry. Use a well-draining orchid mix and allow excess water to drain away to prevent root rot. Air circulation. Good air circulation is essential for orchids, as it helps prevent the development of fungal and bacterial diseases. Ensure that the orchid is not crowded, and there is space between the leaves. Gentle air movement, either from a fan or natural breeze, aids in maintaining a healthy environment. Choosing the right pot. Selecting the appropriate pot for your orchid is vital. Orchids prefer pots with good drainage, such as those with holes or slits. Use a transparent pot to monitor the health of the roots. Repot your orchid every 1-2 years to refresh the potting mix and provide room for growth. Fertilizing orchids. Orchids have unique nutritional needs. Use a balanced orchid fertilizer, diluted to half or quarter strength, and apply it regularly during the growing season. Reduce or stop fertilizing during the dormant period. Pruning and maintenance. Regular pruning helps maintain the health and appearance of your orchid. Remove dead or yellowing leaves, spent flowers, and any signs of disease. Sterilize your tools to prevent the spread of pathogens, common orchid pests, and diseases. Keep a close eye on your orchids for signs of pests like aphids, mealybugs, or scale insects. Treat infestations promptly with appropriate insecticides. Orchids can also be susceptible to fungal and bacterial diseases, so maintain good hygiene practices and avoid overwatering. Growing beautiful orchids is a rewarding journey that requires patience, observation, and a bit of trial and error. By understanding and implementing the secrets outlined in this comprehensive guide, you'll be well on your way to cultivating thriving orchids that grace your space with their unparalleled elegance and charm. Remember, each orchid is unique, so pay attention to its individual needs and enjoy the journey of nurturing these extraordinary flowers